Do you want to speak English with more confidence? Do you want to understand native speakers more easily? And sound more natural when you speak? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to today's English practice video. This lesson is fun, simple, and very effective. If you watch it many times, you will see real progress in your speaking skills. So, get ready, open your ears, and let's start training your brain to think and speak in English.
First, you will listen to a short English conversation. Just relax and try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every single word. This will help you enjoy listening and understanding natural English better.
This path is so quiet. I think we should keep going a little further.
Wait. Something doesn't feel right to me.
What do you mean? It's just a forest.
I know, but my gut is telling me to stop. It's a strong feeling.
Is it an animal? I don't see anything.
No, it's not that. It's more like an instinct. You know, that inner voice?
You mean like a sixth sense?
Exactly. My instinct says we should turn back now. The sun is going down and I have a bad feeling.
I usually follow my head, but you always have good gut feelings.
Trust me on this. We can come back tomorrow morning.
Okay, let's go back. I trust your instinct more than this dark path anyway.
Smart choice. Let's hurry.
Listen and repeat. This path is so quiet. I think we should keep going a little further. What do you mean? It's just a forest. Is it an animal? I don't see anything. You mean like a sixth sense? I usually follow my head, but you always have good gut feelings. Let's go back. I trust your instinct more than this dark path anyway.
Feeling that helps you know what to do without thinking too much. Examples. Her instinct told her something was wrong. Always trust your instinct in dangerous situations. Gut feeling. A strong feeling in your body that tells you something is right or wrong. Examples. My gut feeling says we should wait. She followed her gut feeling and made a good choice. Inner voice. A quiet voice in your mind that gives you advice. Examples. Listen to your inner voice before making a decision. His inner voice helped him choose the right path. sixth sense, a special ability to feel or understand something without seeing or hearing it. Examples: my sixth sense told me something was wrong. He used his sixth sense to avoid danger.